13 Investigates has learned the Pueblo mayor has asked the Pueblo City Attorney to retire. That request coming on the heels of a legal mistake that steered petition organizers in the wrong direction.
Investigative reporter Sean Rice is live outside Pueblo City Hall tonight. And Sean, you've been talking with organizers who wanted to get rid of the strong mayor style of government there. What are they saying tonight?
At Bart and Heather, for nearly a year, a group of citizens here in Pueblo have been gathering thousands of petition signatures to put this up for question. Should Pueblo be governed by a strong mayor or a city manager style of government? Well, today that group learned that the number of signatures they garnered did not meet the requirement, but as it turns out, that number wasn't even right to begin with.
My first reaction was, this can't be true.
I really am having a hard time finding words to describe just how flabbergasted I was.
Susan Carr and Judalyn Smith have been leading the charge, waving signs on Pueblo street corners to change the style of government in Pueblo. They've been under the impression for months they needed just over 3,800 signatures to put it up to the vote of a people, according to the city charter. But it turns out they really needed more than 7,000 signatures.
We followed all of the instructions we were given to the letter.
City Attorney Dan Kagosic advised the city clerk, Marissa Stoller, and Mayor Nick Gradisar that the city charter would apply, but in reality they had to follow state law, which means they needed 10% of all registered voters, a much taller task for the organizers.
The number of signatures that we have really shows that the people want their voice on this. And if they heard the comments that came from the people about what we were doing, they would know the people want to speak up on this. The people want their opportunity to have a vote.
The group got 2,800 valid signatures, but it was well short of the amount needed to trigger the ballot item. In response, Mayor Gradisar asked his city attorney, who's supposed to know the law better than anyone, to retire in just 2 short days.
Yes, no doubt the right call.
So what's next for the No Mayor organizers? Well, they told me today they're currently looking into filing legal action against the city, which is already marred in 3 lawsuits as we speak. Today we attempted to reach out to City Attorney Kagosic for comment, but we're still awaiting a response. Reporting live in Pueblo, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
A lot to sort out. Sean, thanks.